talk about a gorgeous April afternoon, but unfortunately that sunshine isn't going to stick around. Kate is tracking some rain. We need April to just get out of here and move to May, Kate.
Yeah, adios, April. We want May to bring its flowers and sunshine and hopefully some 70s. We're behind schedule on our first 80-degree day. Usually on any given year, that happens on April 19th, give or take. And now here we are at the end of April, still with no 80-degree day. And we do have some 70s in the forecast, but we're going to have to wait till we get to May to get there. Let's take a look at temperatures outside right now. We'll start off with a live look at the city, which is still looking bright-ish, not quite as beautiful as it was earlier today when we had blue sky just all across the region. Now a few clouds have rolled on in, but showers are staying south of us for most of tonight. Now overnight, that's going to change. So it should be a pretty decent sunset, especially further north tonight. 58 degrees at 8 o'clock. Clouds roll in, and then we'll see a few showers start to pop up between 4, 5, 6 a.m. Generally light showers here and there as a warm front lifts north. So that boundary is right now over D.C. That lifts north overnight, scattered showers likely, and we'll have a few scattered sprinkles throughout the day tomorrow as well. But the system we really need to be aware of is this strong cold front, which is moving across portions of the Midwest and Southern Plains region here today. That's going to get here Thursday, but it's going to draw in a lot of moisture as it progresses eastward across the country. So tonight, just an area or two of showers, some light rain, mostly cloudy. 46 degrees will be the overnight low. Tomorrow is not as warm as today, almost 10 degrees below average. It's not a washout, upper 50s, mostly cloudy, breezy, few breaks of sun, but also a few spotty light showers here and there. Heading into your Thursday, that's when we really have to watch for this heavy rainfall. So scattered showers overnight, a few stray sprinkles tomorrow, but then a slow moving, what we call negatively tilting trough. So what you can see here is watch how this rain shield starts to tilt almost backwards. You can see how it just sits overhead and doesn't really clear out quickly. It's just going to sit and dump rain on the area right into midday Friday, even a few scattered showers Friday afternoon. So we're talking heavy rain with this. It looks like the heaviest will actually be off across central Pennsylvania, where some spots could see upwards of 3, even 4 inches of rain. It's going to sit there a little bit longer. It should get a little bit more forward motion as the rain moves through our area, but anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2+ inches of rain. This particular model has Mount Pocono with over 3 inches of rain, something we'll need to watch out for. Certainly if we do see that much rain, we could be looking at some widespread flooding concerns. So it's a wet and windy Thursday. Steady rain develops throughout the day. The heaviest looks like it's Thursday night. Thunder is likely, some strong gusty winds as well out ahead of this line of rain and also during the event. And localized flooding certainly will be a concern. Smaller creeks and streams and just those urban areas that are prone to flooding may see some flooding Thursday night into Friday. We'll dry it out Friday, and then much better news for the weekend. 68 with sunshine Saturday. Sunday, we're up to the mid-70s. So many people are going to be outside, hopefully just in their own backyards. But of course, remember, as the weather warms up and turns nice, remember to keep practicing that social distancing. That's what's getting us through this pandemic already. Jessica, we know that people are going to be out and about, walking in the neighborhoods, out on the trails. Got to wear the mask, got to keep your distance, but enjoy the beautiful weather this weekend.
Right. It's working because of what we've been doing. So let's not compromise it. Good idea, Kate. Thank you.